turned into a good Quran class, eh?
Yes. Verse number?
Quranic commentary class.
5 years.
Thanks largely to him.
Yeah.
He led all the way, all the people to this habit of turning to the Quran and then asking for explanations. Eh?
So this question is related to verse number 5 of Surah Al-Qari'ah, which is chapter number 101 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Yawma yakunu an-nasu kal farashil mabthuse. The day when mankind will be like scattered moths.
لماذا وصف الله الناس بالفراش المبثوث?
What does Allah mean?
Yes.
Why Allah described the people as farash mabthuth?
That is a prophecy of a great worldwide calamity. Worldwide calamity. When it will befall like an atomic war, then people will lose their homes and run about in different places like farashim mabthuth. And this does happen during the wars and also during great earthquakes. So it may be a reference to the future of the great worldwide calamities in the form of earthquakes. Many earthquakes will, as we have noticed already, are causing such suffering, widespread suffering to the mankind. But particularly, I think, atomic war is prophesied in this.